Have you ever been in a situation where someone speaks to you in English and you understand a little, but your mind suddenly goes blank? You hear the words, you recognize some of them, but when it's your turn to speak, everything just stops. You try to respond, but nothing comes out. You feel stuck, confused, and maybe a little nervous too. Your hands feel cold, your mind feels heavy, and you just wish you could say something simple.
Your heart beats a little faster. You start thinking, what should I say? You search for words in your mind, one by one, but they don't come together. And even though you know some English, even though you have studied before, the words just don't come out the way you want them to. And in that moment, you feel like maybe your English is not good enough.
But listen carefully. If that has ever happened to you, don't worry. You are not alone. Thousands of learners feel this every single day. It's completely normal. Learning a language is not just about knowing words, it's about feeling comfortable using them. And that comfort comes slowly, with time and practice.
And today, we're going to help you with that. We're going to help you speak simple, real-life English step by step, in a very easy, calm, and natural way. No pressure, no stress, no difficult grammar rules. Just simple conversations that you can actually use in your daily life.
So right now, take a small pause. Relax your shoulders. Take a slow, deep breath and just listen. Don't try to memorize everything. Don't try to be perfect. Just listen and imagine this situation in your mind as if you are really there.
Let's begin. Imagine you're walking into a small cafe. It's your first time there. The door opens slowly. You hear a soft bell sound. The place feels calm, warm, and quiet. There are a few people sitting, talking softly. You look around. Maybe you feel a little unsure, but you take a small step forward, and then you walk to the counter.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. What would you like to have?
I would like a cup of tea.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all.
All right. That will be $2.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please wait for a few minutes. Soft pause. Cafe background fades. Non-verbal cue. Sarah changes to reflective tone. Did you notice that? How simple and natural that conversation was. No long sentences, no complicated words, just easy, everyday English.
Exactly. No difficult words, no fast speaking, just simple sentences that you can use again and again in real life.
Now let's move to another situation. This time you are outside. Maybe you are in a new city. Maybe you don't know the place, and you need help.
You see someone nearby, and you decide to ask politely. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need simple, polite words.
Excuse me,
Yes?
can you help me?
Of course.
Where is the nearest bus stop?
Go straight, then turn left. You will see it on your right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's it. Simple, clear, and polite.
That's the real secret of English speaking. Not perfect grammar, but clear communication.
Now imagine something new. You meet someone for the first time, maybe at work, maybe at school, or somewhere outside.
You feel a little shy, but you still try. And that's what matters.
Hi, my name's Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan. What about you?
I'm from Canada.
That's nice.
See? You don't need perfect English to connect with someone.
You just need confidence and simple words that you already know.
Now let's slow everything down. Listen carefully and repeat in your mind.
Very slowly. Hello. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you.
Very slowly. What would you like? Can you help me? Where is this place?
The more you listen, the more your brain becomes familiar with these patterns.
And slowly, your fear begins to fade away. You start feeling more comfortable, more confident.
Now, imagine one more situation. You are talking on the phone. You cannot see the other person, so your voice becomes more important.
Hello?
Hello? Is this Ali?
Yes, this is Ali speaking.
Hi, Ali. This is Alex.
Oh, hi, Alex. How are you?
I'm good. Are you free right now?
Yes, I am.
Great. I just wanted to talk to you.
Nonverbal cue. Sarah changes to reflective tone. See? Even phone conversations can be simple.
You don't need big sentences. Just speak clearly and slowly.
Now, take a deep breath. Relax your mind. Let go of the pressure.
And remember, you already know some English.
You understand more than you think.
You just need to use it, little by little, day by day.
Don't try to be perfect.
Just try to speak.
Every simple sentence is enough.
Because every small sentence is a step forward.
Every word you speak builds your confidence.
Mistakes are okay,
They are part of learning.
so don't be afraid.
In the next part, we will continue this journey with more real-life conversations, more practice, more confidence, and more natural speaking.
So stay with us.
Keep listening
Keep practicing.
and keep moving forward with English by Mind Training. And now, just stay relaxed and remain in that same calm and peaceful feeling that you have right now, because we are continuing exactly from where we left off, without any pressure, without any hurry, and without any expectation of perfection. You are already doing better than you think. You are listening carefully, you are understanding more than before, and slowly, very naturally, English is becoming more familiar, more comfortable, and more natural inside your mind, almost like something you have always known but are just now beginning to use. Right now, don't try to translate every single word into your own language, and don't put pressure on yourself to understand everything perfectly. Just listen carefully, feel the rhythm of the sentences, notice how the words connect with each other, and allow yourself to imagine every situation like a calm and peaceful movie playing slowly in your mind, where you are the main character who is learning, growing, and becoming more confident with every passing moment.
Let's gently move into a new situation and experience it step by step, slowly and naturally. Imagine that you're walking into a clothing shop after a long and slightly tiring day. As you step inside, the lights feel soft but bright enough to make everything clearly visible. The environment feels clean, organized, and peaceful, and different shirts, jackets, and clothes are arranged neatly around you. You walk slowly, looking around with curiosity, maybe touching the fabric, maybe pausing for a moment to decide what you like. And while you are still thinking, someone approaches you with a friendly and welcoming smile.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello, I'm looking for a shirt, something simple, comfortable, and easy to wear every day.
Of course, we have many different options available here, and I would be happy to help you find something that suits you well. Could you please tell me your size so I can show you the best choices?
Yes, I usually wear a medium size, something that feels comfortable and not too tight.
That's perfect. And do you have any specific color in your mind? Maybe something dark, light, or neutral that you prefer?
I think black would be a good option because it is simple, easy to match, and I can wear it in many situations.
That's a very good choice. Black is always stylish and easy to combine with other clothes. Here, let me show you this one. It's simple, comfortable, and very popular.
Oh, this looks really nice. Thank you for showing me this option. I like the design and the material. How much does this cost?
This one is $20, and it is made with good quality fabric, so it will feel comfortable and last a long time.
That sounds reasonable, and I think it's a good choice for me. So yes, I will take it.
Excellent choice. I'm sure you will really like it once you start wearing it regularly. Now, if you think about this conversation carefully, you'll notice that even though the sentences were a little longer, they were still simple, clear, and easy to understand without any confusion or difficulty.
Exactly. Real conversations are not about using difficult vocabulary or trying to sound perfect. They are about expressing your thoughts in a simple, clear, and natural way so that the other person can easily understand you without any confusion.
Now, let's slowly move into another situation and continue building your confidence. Imagine that you are sitting in a quiet and comfortable restaurant. The lights are warm, soft music is playing in the background, and you feel relaxed while waiting to order your food. After a few moments, a waiter walks toward your table with a polite and professional smile, ready to take your order. Hello, welcome. I hope you are having a good day. May I take your order whenever you are ready?
Yes, thank you. I would like to order some rice and chicken, something simple and satisfying.
That sounds like a great choice. And would you like anything to drink with your meal?
Yes, I would also like a glass of water, please.
Of course. I will bring your order shortly. And if you need anything else, please let me know.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You're most welcome. Enjoy your meal.
If you notice carefully, you didn't need to use difficult words or complicated grammar. You just needed simple sentences spoken clearly and calmly, and that is enough for real-life communication.
Now, let's make it even more natural and comfortable. Imagine that you are talking to a friend after a long day. You feel relaxed, you are not thinking too much, and you are simply speaking naturally.
Hey, what are you doing right now?
Nothing much. I'm just relaxing at home and taking some rest. What about you?
I'm practicing my English and trying to improve a little every day.
That's really great. I can already see that you are improving and becoming more confident.
Thank you. I'm trying my best and not giving up.
This conversation feels easy because it is real, natural, and honest, and that is exactly how communication should feel in everyday life.
Yes, people don't speak perfectly all the time. They speak simply, naturally, and comfortably.
Now, imagine one more important situation where you don't understand something, but this time, instead of staying silent, you decide to speak.
Excuse me, can you please help me understand this a little bit better? Because I'm feeling a bit confused.
Of course, I would be happy to help you. Please tell me which part you don't understand clearly.
I'm not sure I understand this part properly. Could you explain it again slowly and in a simple way?
No problem at all. Let me explain it in a clearer and simpler way so that you can understand it easily.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help.
You're always welcome. Never hesitate to ask. This is very important to remember. Never be afraid to say, I don't understand, because that is how learning actually begins.
When you ask questions, you give yourself a chance to learn, grow, and improve step by step.
And every time you speak, even if it is not perfect, you become stronger and more confident.
Now, let's slow everything down again and feel the words.
I need help.
Can you explain this?
I don't understand.
It's okay.
Take your time.
Speak slowly.
English is not about speaking fast, it is about speaking clearly, confidently, and naturally.
And most importantly, it's about trying again and again without giving up.
Now, imagine the final moment where you are finishing a conversation and getting ready to leave.
All right, I have to go now. It was really nice talking to you and spending time with you.
Okay, take care of yourself. It was really nice talking to you too, and I hope to see you again soon.
Yes, see you again soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care. And just like that, you have experienced a complete conversation in English, without fear, without pressure, and without difficulty.
Just simple words, clear sentences, and growing confidence.
Remember, you don't need perfect grammar, you don't need difficult vocabulary, and you don't need to be fluent from the very beginning. You just need to start, one sentence at a time, one conversation at a time, and one small step every single day.
Every time you listen and every time you repeat, you are improving, even if you don't notice it immediately.
And one day, without even realizing it, you will speak English naturally, confidently, and freely.
So keep going, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself.
And we will see you again in the next episode of English by Mind Training. More badass on your way.